Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Call of Duty mobile error code 270FD4294967295. The error reads, Authorization Error. As per our research, this error comes when users try to log in to the game. Some players shared that the game lets them log in, but crashes when trying to download anything or if they stay on the menu for too long. According to our research, the error is likely related to a game bug or issues with the account type. This is not something the user can always fix, but there are some workarounds that you can try. First, try restarting the game and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, restart your device and then try launching the game again. If the error still continues, then check if the game needs an update. If an update is available, install it and check if the issue is resolved. If the error still comes, then clear the app cache and then open the game. And see if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then it's likely a game bug. In this case, you should wait for some time until the developers fix the issue on their end. In case, if the error goes on for too long, then we suggest you report the issue to the game developers. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.